Yep, that's a fun fact about me. Also, I'm working on a new mask. But yeah, come get your snacks. I will pick you up with some Play-Doh. Also, guys, I did not actually eat the Play-Doh. I did not actually eat Play-Doh. My mask has this fun little feature that I will show you. My mask has enough room in my mouth where the nose is. I can just spit it out. Or I can spit it out. So yeah, I'm not a Play-Doh eater, but it is tasty. And